Hello and welcome to Wellness Wednesday with Maple Tree Cancer Alliance. Whether you're newly diagnosed, undergoing treatment, or in recovery, this conversation is for you. I'm Evan, an exercise oncology instructor, and in today's conversation, we'll be talking about nature and its role in wellness. The information in this video is for educational purposes only, and it's important to consult with your medical team for more in depth guidance and advice. As always, following our conversation today, stick around for some gentle movement. Before we get into how spending time outdoors can be beneficial to our health and wellness, I'd like to first touch on why nature based interventions can help us. That brings us to this statistic listed in a review from the International Journal of Environmental Research in Public Health that 25% of cancer survivors report problems such as anxiety, depression, and psychological as well as psychosocial stress. Clearly, cancer treatment is not only difficult for patients physically, but also mentally. The prevalence of these symptoms among cancer patients demonstrates a need for nature based interventions as they have been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and chronic stress. As you can see here, outdoor time and nature based interventions have been shown to have a significant impact on various chronic conditions. As previously mentioned, spending time in nature can have a profound effect on minimizing symptoms of depression, anxiety, and perceived stress. However, it extends even further beyond those conditions as it's also been linked to improvements for those with heart disease and even type 2 diabetes. Along with improving symptoms in those with various chronic conditions, nature based interventions have also been shown to have numerous additional benefits. These include improved quality of life, decreased fatigue, better sleep, reduced stress, and improved mental clarity. While you receive the most substantial benefit from high quality outdoor spaces, such as those with lots of healthy trees and plenty of fresh air, some studies have even demonstrated that simply looking at pictures of trees can produce a stress reducing effect. So clearly, we can benefit quite a bit by spending time outdoors. One of the most substantial benefits that we can receive by spending more time outdoors is the production of vitamin D, as sun exposure is one of the primary sources for our bodies to access this vitamin. When exposed to sunlight, our skin can produce vitamin D3, which is then converted into the usable vitamin D by the liver and kidneys. This vitamin plays a crucial role in bone health and also supports immune health as well as the healthy function of muscle and brain cells. So, making sure that you're getting enough vitamin D is definitely important. Many variables can impact this process, such as time of day, weather, season, and amount of skin exposed to sunlight. However, general recommendations say that only 8 to 10 minutes of sun exposure at 12 o'clock noon is needed for adequate vitamin D production. Along with the production of vitamin D, spending time outdoors can produce other effects within the body. It can lower blood pressure, as the calming environment of nature has been shown to promote relaxation as well as lower cortisol levels in the body, in turn, contributing to a lowered blood pressure. Additionally, time outdoors can boost our immune system as well. When outdoors and in fresh air, we breathe in phytoncides, which are protective chemicals produced by various trees and plants. When ingested, these airborne chemicals have been shown to improve our immune system by raising both the number and activity of natural killer cells within the body. One of the best things about nature based interventions is that they offer various health benefits to patients at little to no cost. This allows time outdoors to be a fantastic and free way to give a little boost to our health and well being. Now, getting into how you can start incorporating more nature based interventions into your routine and life, it is recommended that you spend at least 120 minutes outdoors per week in order to receive adequate benefits. Additionally, to touch on safety, make sure to keep an eye on the weather when planning an outdoor activity. Also, make sure that you're packing and wearing sunscreen to help protect your skin from any possible overexposure to UV rays. So there's a variety of ways that you can start incorporating more time outdoors into your life, but here's a few examples that could help you get started. First of all, you could relax on a porch, patio, or outdoor bench. One nice recommendation here is to use the time that you normally spend reading or scrolling on your phone and just do that activity outdoors so you can get some fresh air and receive some of those benefits from being outside. You could also explore your local community, state, and national parks. You could plan an outdoor activity such as a picnic or a hike. And finally, you could find a new outdoor hobby such as gardening or bird watching. We've gone into detail today about how there's many benefits to just simply being out in nature, but I'd also like to highlight how great it can be to combine that time outdoors with exercise to receive an even greater benefit on our health and well-being. Again, there's no shortage of options when looking at outdoor exercise here, but a few examples could be implementing an outdoor walk into your daily routine, picking up an outdoor sport such as golf or pickleball, exploring nearby hiking trails, and looking into access to canoe or kayak rentals at local waterways. Thank you for being part of our conversation on nature and its role in wellness today. I hope the information we've covered has brought you some clarity and comfort. Your health and well being are always what matter most, so please continue to take care of yourself, stay informed, and remember that hope is always present. Now, let's transition into some gentle movement to further support your journey.
Hi, I'm Zaria, your exercise oncology instructor with Maple Tree Cancer Alliance. Welcome to week 4 of our 8-week exercise program designed to increase the range of motion in your upper body. This week, the stretches will take place seated and on the floor. You'll need a sturdy chair and a comfortable place on the floor. Remember, keep your shoulders back and engage your core the entire time. All movements should be done fluid and avoid bouncing. Don't hold your breath and never stretch to the point of pain. If you experience any pain from these movements, please skip that movement and let's stay in a pain-free range of motion. Let's get to it. Today, we're gonna start with head tilts. We're gonna stretch our neck and we want our ear to kind of touch our shoulders. And we're gonna hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna roll. And now we want our left ear trying to reach our left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next we have neck turns. So we're gonna turn to the right and we're gonna stretch as far as we can and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the other side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna do that one more time. Starting with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna do 6 shoulder shrugs. And as we inhale, we're gonna lift our shoulders up. And as we exhale, we're gonna bring them back down. Okay. 1, and down. 2, and down. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we have a shoulder blade shrug. Here, we're gonna keep our arms by our side, and then with bent elbows, you're gonna squeeze your shoulder blades together, squeeze them toward your spine, and hold it, okay? And release. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're gonna put our arms together and stretch to our right as far as we can. Hold that for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we have seated cat and cow. So we're gonna push our chest out toward the sky, kind of like we're a cow with an udder. And now we're gonna hunch over like a scared cat, okay? We have 1, chest up, and shoulders back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next is your cross body shoulder stretch. So you're gonna take your left arm and reach it across your body. You can use that right arm to kind of pull for even deeper of a stretch. And we're gonna hold this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now that right arm and reach it across your body and use that left arm to pull. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we have our wrist flexion. So you're gonna hold out your left arm and you're gonna use your right arm to pull your hand back toward you with your palm facing away and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now with your palm facing you, you're gonna use that right hand again to help kind of pull for even deeper of a stretch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with our right hand. Start with the palm away from you, using that left arm to pull back for a deeper stretch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, palm facing you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, these next stretches are gonna help strengthen the joint, increase blood flow, and cushion your joints, and just overall improve your flexibility and your grip strength. You're gonna start with a thumb stretch. So we're gonna take our left thumb and kind of pull it back, a little bit like what we were doing with the wrist flexion, and hold that for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with our right hand, we're gonna pull back and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is our fist stretch. You're gonna take both of your fists and you're gonna clench them really tight, like you're getting ready to hit someone. And now you're gonna stretch out like you're trying to reach for something that's really big, maybe palm a basketball even. You have 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next is your finger to thumb stretch, and we're gonna do this twice. So you're gonna take your right hand, your left hand, and you're going to have each finger hit your thumb, and then you're gonna do it one more time going the opposite way, and that's 1 time. Okay, starting with our left hand. 1. Okay, now the second one, going forward and back. Now for your right hand, forward and back. Now one more time, forward and back. Now we're gonna do some reach forward and pull back. So you're gonna take your arms out and reach like you're going to hug somebody, and now pull your shoulders back, keeping your arms extended out in front of you. We're gonna do this 10 times. Reach forward for that hug. Now pull your shoulders back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we're gonna do one more overhead side stretch, and you're gonna take your left arm and reach to the side, reach as far as you can, and we're gonna hold this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're gonna go with your right arm and reach over towards your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for your last stretch in your seat, we're gonna do trunk rotations. So you're gonna take your left arm and put it on the close to your knee, and you're gonna rotate your body as far as you can. You can use the back of your chair to kind of help you assist and get a deeper stretch. And we're gonna hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna kind of swing to the other side, again, placing that opposite arm on the opposite leg, using it for a deeper stretch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're gonna move our chair to the side and get ready to do some floor exercises. You're gonna start on your hands and knees, and we're gonna start with our thoracic rotations, and we're gonna do 5 on each side. You're gonna start with your right hand firmly placed on the ground, and you're gonna take your left arm and bend it behind your head, and you're just gonna rotate your trunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you're gonna do the exact same thing on the opposite side, placing your left arm straight, firmly on the ground with your right arm bent behind your elbow, behind your head, and you're gonna do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, you're gonna stay in that same position, but instead of bending your elbow behind your arm, you're gonna keep it straight. We have 5 on each side, starting with your left arm in the air and your right arm down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, left arm down, right arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we have a little bit of a chest opener. You're going to remain on your knees or sitting on your behind if that's what you feel is best. You're going to interlock your arms behind your back and lift up as far as you can. And we're gonna hold that for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have our regular cat and cow pose. So we'll go back to being on all fours. And you're gonna sink your tummy like you're a cow with the udder. And now round your back like a scared cat. And we have 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the final thing we're gonna do is hold in child's pose for 10 seconds. Child's pose is when you're leaning back on your knees and you're gonna stretch as far forward as you can and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's all I have for you. Congratulations again on completing another week. I'll see you next week.